Welcome back. We have our male Chihuahua puppy. He will probably be a standard size Chihuahua. He's in the second one in the litter who is also big, and the rest of the litter were teacup size. He is brown. He has some white in the front. His paws are white. He's a doll baby too. Looks like one of his ears is starting to stand up, but the other one has not quite. No, your other ear's not standing up yet. Your ear is starting to stand up. He's a precious baby. He's very friendly. Are you a sweetheart? Yes, you're a sweetheart. He was born June 4th. Are you sweet? And you're going to stand up? Hi, sweetie. Are you a little bit scared up there? He ain't too bad. Hi, sweet baby. He's another sweet puppy. Hi, sweet baby. There's a sweet baby. Yes. Are you Chihuahua? Are you Chihuahua? Are you Chihuahua? And that is him.